In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all Trello cards. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're on the main Trello screen, look to the top area of the page for your profile icon. Click your profile icon, and if needed, click it again to open the full account menu properly. From that menu, select Cards. This takes you to a view that gathers your Trello cards in one place, which is really useful when you want to see tasks across different boards without opening each board one by one. Once the cards page loads, look for the sort option. Click it, then choose how you want your cards organized. If you want to focus on deadlines, select due date. If you'd rather group things based on where they belong, choose board. Either option can make it much easier to find what you're looking for, depending on how you manage your work. Next, find the filter dropdown and click it. This is helpful if you have a lot of cards and want to narrow the list down. Apply filters if needed, based on the options available in your Trello view. For example, filtering can help you focus only on certain kinds of cards instead of scrolling through everything at once. If you don't need to narrow anything down, you can simply leave the filters as they are and continue. After that, scroll through the page to view all your cards. As you move down the list, you'll be able to browse everything collected in the single view. This is the easiest way to review your tasks, spot upcoming work, and quickly check cards from multiple boards in one place. When you find a card you want to inspect more closely, click on that card to open it. From there, you can view its details, check dates, read descriptions, or continue working inside the card as needed. And that's it. You now know how to view all Trello cards in one place. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go: using the sort and filter tools together can save a lot of time, especially if your Trello workspace is busy. Sorting by due date helps when you want to prioritize what's coming up next, while sorting by board is useful when you're reviewing projects separately. If your list feels long, just keep scrolling steadily and open any card whenever you need more detail. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to view all your Trello cards.